Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to put on the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your default folder thumbnail on your Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, I'm not using any extra third-party app software to change the folder thumbnail. So you can also do it for free very easily. Okay, so just go to your folder first. Right click on your folder like this and go to properties, and in the properties go to customize tab. Here you can get the option choose a file to show on this folder icon. Just click on choose file and select your image which you want to use as folder thumbnail. Just select it, click on open and click on apply, and once again click on OK. That's it. After this guys, you need to refresh your file explorer page one time. After refreshing, it will apply the changes on your folder. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to change the folder thumbnail on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.